Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel onions. This simple process transforms humble onions into a sweet, savory, and incredibly versatile ingredient. While it does take a little time, the hands-on effort is minimal, and the delicious results are absolutely worth it. We'll cover everything from selecting your onions to achieving that perfect, rich caramelization, ensuring you can easily master this kitchen skill. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Yellow onions are often preferred for their balanced sweetness, but red or white onions also work wonderfully. Aim for about 3 to 5 large onions as they cook down significantly. Slice them into thin, even half-moons. This helps them cook uniformly. For the best results, use a large, heavy-bottomed skillet, such as cast iron or stainless steel, to ensure even heat distribution. Now for the magic. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and butter in your pan over medium heat. Add your sliced onions and a generous pinch of salt, stirring them frequently for the first 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, reduce the heat to low and continue cooking for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring every few minutes. If the onions start to stick, add a tablespoon or 2 of water to deglaze the pan, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits. Your caramelized onions are perfectly done when they've achieved a deep golden brown color and a wonderfully soft, jammy texture. They should be incredibly sweet and savory. Once cooled, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. These versatile gems are fantastic on everything from gourmet burgers and sandwiches to savory pizzas, or stirred into creamy dips and hearty soups. Enjoy your delicious homemade caramel onions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.